Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video we're going to show you how to set a stop loss and take profit in MetaTrader 5. And to do this, follow my steps. Firstly guys, you need to open a trade by clicking the new order button or press F9 to bring up the order window. Set stop loss and take profit. In the order window, locate the stop loss and take profit fields. Enter the price level where you want a stop loss to trigger. This is usually set below the entry price for buy orders and above for sell orders. Enter the take profit price, which is above the entry for buy orders and below for sell orders. If you already have a opened position, you can go to Trade tab in the terminal window, then click on Modify or Delete Order, enter the stop loss and take profit levels, then click Modify. You can also use the chart for quick adjustments. You can open the chart of your trade, drag the order line up or down to set stop loss or take profit quickly, confirm the changes when prompted. And that's it. Setting up stop loss and take profit helps automate risk management, locking in profits and limiting losses. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, if it was helpful, make sure to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching.